So in this example, we are to suppose A and B are events with 0 less than probability of A less than 1 and 0 less than probability of B less than 1. If A and B are disjoint, can they be independent? And also, if A and B are independent, can they be disjoint? And if A is a subset of B, can they be independent? So let's see. Now, if a set is said to be disjoint, that means their intersection is what? 0. So for instance, this is an illustration. Assuming we have the probability of what? Let's assume this is A and this is also what? Our B. So if they are disjoint, can we have a value here and also a probability here? When we multiply, will give us what? Here, remember that there is no what? Intersection. So definitely the intersection is 0. So if the intersection is what? 0 here, there is no way we are going to get what? P of what? A times P of B to be, which will be equal to the P of what? A intersection what? B, except when this is also what? 0 0, right? But it can't be 0 0 because the probability of this is greater than 0, that is between what? 0 and 1, right? So if they are disjoint, they can never be independent. They can never be what? Independent. Hence, I cannot be what? Cannot be independent. Alright, so we move on with the II. That's the converse of the first statement. If A and B are independent, can they be disjoint? If we have what? An independent or function, can they be disjoint? Okay, so that means if you have P of A times P of what? B, can they be equal to what? 0? That is disjoint. So if we have independent like this, can we have a value multiplying themselves? We can only have this if and only if probability of A is 0 or probability of what? B is 0 or both of them are what? 0. But because of this statement, giving us statements, we can't have A to be 0, neither can we have what? B to be 0. So there is no way they can be independent. So these two cannot be what? Independent. Alright, so let's see for III. If A is a subset of B, can they be what? Independent. If A, so just let's assume this is an illustration, A and then what? B, and then we have, let's say, half in this set what? A. Remember that this half is also in what? B, right? So if we have such event happening like this, because the intersection is half and also is also in what? B, they are what? They can be independent with each other, right? So for instance, probability of getting an A times the probability of what? Getting what? B, right, can be what? 1/2, and it's possible. So here is independent. Alright, so that ends today's discussion on this example. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this video channel.